Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials, 2 functional controllers and the latest Infinite Warfare update on your console. Sign into your primary account and launch Zombies Local Split Screen. This is critical so the host loads the correct lobby. Once the map menu appears, hand the second controller to your partner and press Start or Options to join. You do this now to reserve player slots and sync loadouts. It prevents unnecessary lobby errors and speeds the process up, so don't skip the join step. Once both players are in, configure the lobby deliberately. Choose the map, difficulty, and any custom rules so you both know expectations. Make sure player 2 controller is assigned correctly and that split screen placement and aim sensitivity feel comfortable. This reduces friendly fire and camera confusion. Then customize classes and specialist weapons together, since weapon loadouts and buy-ins affect early rounds. By setting these details, now you avoid mid-game fumbling and keep your teamwork consistent when the action begins. You're ready to start. Launch the match and treat the first wave as a warm-up to test movement, aim, and revive timing together. Make small HUD and camera tweaks if player 2 is clipped or visibility is poor, and agree on revive priorities and ammo sharing so you don't waste time later. If the second player won't join, sign out and back in, try a different controller port or cable, or restart the game and console. That single reset fixes most connection and recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.